Hi, everybody, and welcome to New Jersey Real Estate Training, your number one resource for free realtor training in the Garden State. My name is Dave Blinder. I'm a licensed real estate agent at eXp Realty in New Jersey. I'm also a mentor for a brokerage, and I enjoy helping you whether you're an aspiring or newly licensed agent or a seasoned veteran of our industry as well. For today's video, we're talking about how exactly to get your real estate license in New Jersey. If you're new to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video on training or tricks of our trade. I've also got all of my contact information down below in the description and show notes, and you're free to reach out to me with anything I could potentially help you on. So step number one for qualifying for your New Jersey real estate license is you must be a minimum of 18 years old, and you also have to have a high school diploma or equivalent to qualify for this process. So for slide number one, if you look right down below the video in my description and notes, you'll find today's helpful links. So the New Jersey Real Estate Commission is reinforcing, again, that age requirement for licensing. The same link has information on how a criminal history could potentially affect your candidacy to earn your real estate license. So just down below the video, you can find out all these helpful links from today. So for slide number two, it indicates we are going back to school to earn your real estate license. That is a 75-hour pre-licensure course for a real estate salesperson is required. So you're going to pay some money out of your pocket to do so. So down below in the description for slide number two, you can find the state's full list of schools that will qualify for your real estate schooling for that programming. Many of these schools will have online courses nowadays. You may find some in-person brick and mortar options as well that you can research on. My experience was these schools typically run about $400, give or take, and I believe you're going to be taking a school exam to prove that you learned the information before you qualify for your diploma from the school to move onward to your state exam. So this is potentially kind of a two-test process. And they both require a good amount of studying and accountability on your part to proceed onward. So slide number three says we must pass a PSI exam, which is actually your New Jersey State Real Estate Salesperson exam. PSI is the company that administers these tests. So this is the big one. This is the state exam. The state exam is 110 questions, I believe. You're required to score a grade of no less than 70% correct. There is a timeline from real estate schooling completion onto the state exam. You have a window of 1 calendar year that you have to do this process in. So my best recommendation is to line these tasks up as quickly as possible as you move from achievement to achievement. Excuse me. So to sign up for the New Jersey State Real Estate Exam through PSI, again, you're going to need to prove that you completed your real estate school and have that valid diploma on record in hand. And then down below in our research links, you can find details on registering for that New Jersey State exam through PSI. They administer it. You have a maximum of 240 minutes or 4 hours to complete this exam, and that's a $38 examination fee through PSI. PSI provides us with a full list of testing centers in the state of New Jersey. Again, down below in the notes, and we are on slide number three. I went to this very testing center on New Road in Parsippany. I had a pleasant experience here. This went all very smoothly for me. I did pass my exam on the first go round, honestly. I physically made 250 note cards of different vocabulary and terms. It was a brute force campaign on my part to memorize and learn this information. And I think that process of writing out note cards is what I recommend to anyone going through real estate school to help you better memorize and absorb this information you're learning. Here are some FAQs about the test center provided by PSI, and more links down below for slide number 3. This particular slide I take no responsibility for whatsoever. I did not create this Quizlet, and I don't know the author, but this is allegedly a New Jersey real estate practice exam, and it could give you an indicator of the type of material you're likely to encounter on your state exam and as well as in your schooling. It's not going to encompass everything, but it may allow you to dip your toes a little bit and prepare for the type of topics you're going to be learning and talking about. Real estate school and the exam is not necessarily about running a successful business. It's more about knowing what to do and what not to do and what you should say, what you shouldn't say. A lot of great information on ethics, laws, and regulations on the state exam. So if we move onward to slide number 4, this is not really an artistic slide. It's letting us know that you've successfully now passed your New Jersey state exam with that 70% or greater grade. And congratulations, now it's time to get fingerprinted. So we're getting close to the end game. You've done the most challenging tasks so far, such as the real estate school and the New Jersey state exam. So for slide number 4, down below in the description and notes, I've provided this link on more details on this fingerprinting process for your research. There's information on the fee, which at this time is $66.05. There's a cancellation fee, other information here. And the vendor service that is going to perform that fingerprinting is also linked to on the state site. That is IdentoGo, and this is actually the website the state links to. I didn't personally have any luck in finding out more about the fingerprinting centers through the state's website they provided for IdentoGo. There is, however, a toll-free number provided here for the scheduling. However, I provided an even better direct link for you, and this link sets you right up for the real estate sales fingerprinting, and here you can type in your own zip code to find the nearest IdentoGo center by your area for your fingerprinting. So we have some options within about 13 miles of my house. Hopefully there's a fingerprinting center nearest to you. And before you head over there, you must complete the appropriate form. That's provided by the state here. Make sure you're doing the broker, salesperson, and salesperson form. You don't want to accidentally complete the instructor form or the director of real estate school form. Those will not be accepted for this licensing. You have to do the proper form. You have to keep track of this document and bring it with you, as well as the forms of ID that are mandated, and those are reinforced on the form as well. Of course, that's going to be photo ID, $66.05 to be fingerprinted, and information on payment sources that are accepted for this fingerprinting process. So now we're getting very, very close to our end game. For step number 5, I've labeled this as interview brokers. So how the real estate business works is typically the real estate agents are the ones that are bringing the deals in, and the brokers are here to support us. They provide us with insurance as well as troubleshooting and support in handling any disputes, hopefully some guidance as well. So brokers are not necessarily just handing us deals every day, and you don't want to have that misconception. A real estate agent has to have an incredible amount of accountability for running their own business, and that's where a person like a real estate coach such as myself comes in to help you set your personal business plan and to identify your unique strengths that are going to allow you to skyrocket in this business. So I really enjoy helping you with that. You will be free to interview with any broker you like. Typically, they're almost always hiring, as they make a piece of your action. They receive a portion of your commission every time you close a deal. The commission split is different with every brokerage, and the amount of training in their programs are going to be different as well. So, of course, I work for a great company, which is eXp Realty, where, again, I'm a mentor as well as a sponsor. We've got a great network of agents in New Jersey. I believe we're over 2,500 agents in the state of New Jersey. And as an international business, eXp Realty is now over a staggering 75,000 agents. Just explosive growth here for a very exciting cloud-based company. So eXp operates in all 21 counties of New Jersey. Being a cloud-based brokerage, our headquarters is really in Montclair, New Jersey, but all of us work remotely through our great tools such as eXp World, our virtual campus, and these tools are available to us 24 hours a day. When you come on board as a new agent, you're going to be assigned a mentor such as me. You can always request me if you're in my area in North Jersey. I can sponsor you, though, and coach and train you in any part of New Jersey. And I greatly enjoy the opportunity to do this and tell you more about our company as well. So you can read more about eXp's generous commission split. That's an 80-20 beginning split. You can reach 100% once the company has earned $16,000 off of the 20% they take annually. Very, very, very generous. Many folks reach that 100% commission. You can work anywhere. I think our cloud-based system allows great flexibility for part-time agents as well as full-time. We have an incredible array of tools available to us as eXp agents, some great lead generation systems. We have many, many great coaches such as myself. So if you're interested or curious about what eXp Realty can offer you, just reach out to me directly anytime. I'm always happy to help discuss how eXp could benefit you and grow your own real estate business. So I am going to wrap this video up. That was quite a lot of speaking my part, but thanks so much for tuning in. I hope that was informative to you on how to earn your New Jersey real estate license. If you have any questions on the content whatsoever, just drop a comment below. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys soon.